Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the productivity application, Google Tasks, and how it integrates with other Google applications. As you know, Google Tasks is a productivity and to-do app. And what we're going to do is we're going to select Google Tasks in our workflow. And then we're going to take a look at some of the other applications. For example, Google Tasks integrates with Gmail. It also integrates with Google Sheets. Naturally, there are integrations with Google Calendar. And naturally, we can add a task for new files in Google Drive. And in fact, that is the Zap that we are going to take a closer look at. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Use this Zap. And as you can see, what this Zap is designed to do is designed to help us to be reminded to take action on files that are uploaded to Google Drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Create this Zap. And the trigger in this case is going to be when a new file is uploaded to Google Drive. We're then going to click Continue. Google Drive is going to ask us to connect a specific account. And then once our Google Drive account is connected, we're then going to click Test. Once we verify that it's working, we're then going to click Save and Continue. We're now going to set up the Google Drive file. And to test, we're going to click Fetch and Continue. Our test is successful. We can then click Continue. So now what we can do is we can create a corresponding task. And we're now going to connect the account to run the task. Once Zapier is connected, we'll then click Test. And then we'll click Save and Continue. Now, once we have found our task list, what we're going to do is we're going to write a title. And this title is always going to occur when there's a new file. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to write in a title that we know we're going to use every single time that the drive shows an uploaded file. So once you've written your title, you're then going to click Continue. Zapier will then send a task to Google Tasks, and we will then click Finish. Once our Zap is turned on, we then have our productivity app functioning within the Google system. So what you'll want to do if you are a user of the Google system is to explore different combinations to find those that will give you more automation and more productivity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.